Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Vespa Fix and Fun. The topic that I'm going to show you today to talk about is about the grease that you should use on your brake job on your Vespa. As you may seen from the previous clip about my rear brake changing, how to the video clip, you may have seen that I have very difficult to take the brake shoes out from the shaft, which happened because it is lack or may not the using of the proper grease to use on the brake system, even on your Vespa. And I'm going to show you next. As you may see that I have a difficulty to take the bottom brake shoes out, and you can imagine that I have to snap it out. It even cannot come out, and I have to use by the tools, pulling tools, to take it. I'm sure that it's happened on the bottom because it's the lack or dry of the expired grease. It's a long time seized there, and it's happened because you may not know that how heat happen when the engine run and the heat is transferred to this part of the rear wheel hub, and it will be very hot, and it is hot enough to make the grease, if you not use it the heat resistant or proper grease, it will dry it out, and it will make such a situation happen that when you service it, the brake could stuck. And the matter is because of this engine is sit for a long time or anything, but you can prevent this situation happen by choose the proper grease here. I'm going to show you. The right one grease is the common grease used in the garage. It's a lithium grease soap base, which is it's also heat resistant in some level, but it may not enough in the long run for the brake system as we use. And why the left one, I'm going to show you, it's a special grease used in the car brake caliper, which is designed specifically to use where the heat is transferred quite strong. You may have seen some video clip. You may have seen some video clip about how to fix the brake caliper of the car. It's recommended to use the special grease because it's really heat resistant, moisture less deteriorate, and one important thing is this grease is not harm to your seal, which is also rubber seal that located in the brake shaft Vespa here. If you have chance to take it out, you may know that inside there are two seal work, and if you use the car caliper, brake caliper grease, it will be very good because it's not deteriorate to the rubber inside, and it also make the grease here long lasting. So I would like to recommend you, every time you fix your brake job on Vespa or any type of the scooter or car, don't forget to use specific grease for brake system. And this is, I use a Bosch Superfit TO100, but in the automotive market there are many brands, but choose specifically for brake system. I recommend it, and your brake job gonna be easy on using and also servicing in the long run. You have no problem, just like I have. So I hope that this clip is useful for you, information to do on the brake job. Don't forget, buy the right grease for the right job, and your job will be good in the long run or every time when you do service, even also in riding. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.